Hello friends, today we will discuss about probiotics. What are probiotics, how they are useful for our gut health, in which diseases they are helpful, and by consuming which food items we can maintain the balance of good and bad bacteria in your body. I welcome you on Dr. PM English channel. If you have not subscribed this channel yet, please subscribe it and watch this video till the end so that you will not miss important information. So what are probiotics? Probiotics are microorganisms like bacteria or yeast. If they are consumed in adequate amounts, they are beneficial for our health. So there are around 100 trillion probiotics bacteria are present in your body. Okay, that is equal to our cells. So this is a tremendous number of the good bacteria which are present in your body, and there should be the balance between good bacteria and bad bacteria. So these probiotics are present in our gut, in mouth, in urinary tract, genital tract, skin. So we should aim to maintain the balance between the good and bad bacteria. So by consuming certain foods, we can improve this balance and we can improve the percentage of good bacteria in our gut. So our gut health is always dependent upon the percentage of good bacteria. Around 1000 species of bacteria are present in our gut. So these different species of bacteria are helpful in the absorption of the nutrients. They help in the digestion of the food. They are also helpful in lining these intestinal cells, and they protect the intestinal cell from damage. This good bacteria also checks the amount of the bad bacteria, and it doesn't allow the bad bacteria to grow, and it protects us from the various diseases. It also improves our immune system. So there are a lot of benefits of the probiotics. Commonly 3 types of probiotics are seen in our gut. The one is lactobacillus, that is present in the curd, and it is helpful in diarrhea. The other bacteria is bifidobacterium. This is present in dairy products and it is helpful in irritable bowel syndrome. The yeast Saccharomyces boulardii is also present in our gut, and the percentage of these 3 live microorganisms is more compared to the other microorganisms in our body. Now if you consume adequate amounts of the probiotic, it helps our immunity, it helps to boost good health. Now in which diseases these probiotics are helpful? This is helpful in a diarrhea. It is also helpful in antibiotic associated diarrhea. Because of the consumption of the antibiotic, they also kills the good bacteria along with the bad bacteria, and to replenish this good bacteria, the probiotics are supplemented. It is also seen that the probiotics are helpful in the digestion. They help in diarrhea and bloating of the abdomen. It also helps in constipation. Patients suffering from irritable bowel syndrome and inflammatory bowel disease, probiotics are found to be beneficial. In patients suffering from eczema, various allergies, cough, colds, if they take adequate amount of probiotics, they are also found beneficial. Now the patients who are having urinary tract infection or genital tract infection, so good bacteria or probiotics also helps in such patients. If you have any gum problems, so probiotics will help to replenish the good bacteria in your mouth. Now there is a recent research in the field of communication of the gut with the brain, that is called as a gut-brain axis. There is a communication between your brain and your gut. If your gut health is not good, it directly affects your brain and it may lead to anxiety, depression. So to maintain good gut health is very necessary, because it may affect your brain health also, and because of the bad gut health, it also lead to the extraintestinal diseases. In Ayurveda also it is said that all the diseases, they have origin in your abdomen. Okay, now which food item should we consume so that we can increase the percentage of the good bacteria in our body? So fermented food products are very helpful to increase the percentage of this good bacteria. So good bacteria are present in the curd, yogurt. It is also present in the buttermilk. So adequate consumption of the curd, yogurt and buttermilk is helpful to maintain the balance between these good and bad bacteria in your gut. This is also present in the ambari or khamir. It is a fermented product which is made from rice or millets. You can also consume the pickles made from avla, mango or lemon. These pickles also contain adequate amounts of microorganisms, good bacteria, which helps to improve your gut health. Kanji made from beetroot or black carrot is also beneficial as it contains large amount of good bacteria. The other drinks like kefir, which is made from the kefir grains, and it contains around 40 to 50 different types of the bacteria which are good for your gut health. From fermented tea, kombucha is prepared, and this kombucha drink is also good to maintain your gut health. Kimchi, which is a Korean dish, and in which by using the Chinese cabbage you can made this dish, and this also contains large amount of good bacteria which are beneficial. In Germany, sauerkraut is prepared from the cabbage, and this sauerkraut also contains the good amount of bacteria. It is prepared after fermentation of the cabbage. The other delicious drink tepachi can be prepared by the fermented pineapple, and it is seen that it contains adequate amounts of good probiotics. So various fermented foods you can use to maintain this balance between the good and bad bacteria in your body. If you eat the foods which contains adequate amounts of the good bacteria, it will help your gut health, it will protect you from various intestinal diseases. At the same time, it will help you to elevate your mood. It will also help you in depression, anxiety. So probiotic consumption is very useful. There is a drink available in the market, that is Yakult. It also contains adequate amounts of good bacteria. This Yakult, you can store it in a fridge and you can drink it in between. So friends, now there are various probiotic supplements are available in the market. They are available in form of capsule, tablet, powders, liquids, and in various diseases these are prescribed by the doctors. But for normal people, for healthy people, these supplements are not necessary. It is always better to eat fermented food products containing probiotics that will be adequate to maintain the good gut flora in your body, because these supplements most of the time contains only few types of the bacteria or yeast, and if you take naturally fermented foods, in that number of good microorganisms are present. So that different microorganisms, different good microorganisms, bacteria, yeast, you can consume by taking various fermented food products. So the recipes of this product are available on the YouTube. You can see on that and make delicious drink, delicious fermented foods, and you can relish the taste of this food, and at the same time it will also help you to improve your gut health. So friends, which probiotic drinks are you going to prepare at your home, and which probiotic products you regularly consume? Kindly comment about this in the comment box. If you have any query, you can write in the comment section below. Thank you very much.